G'day, Oz ATV rider. Today I'm heading to Spargo Creek Spring to get a glass of water. Now I've got no idea if this truck goes through where I want to. We're going to have a look. Ooh, she looks a bit nasty down there, isn't it? Oh, she looks a bit scary out now. I reckon I don't know, do I stick to that centre? I think so. Yeah, she was pretty boggy, as I thought. We'll just get her straight in and... oh, yeah, not bad. Shit. Just keep going, I guess. Yep, stay on this line. Oh man. Man, my little side tracks. Yeah, we'll take the high road. Oh mate, that's some solid rock. We'll go over here. Oh, stay in this line, I guess. Yeah, what have I got here? Another big bloody hill. It looks so squishy, doesn't it? I think that right might be the go. Yeah. Just have to push through the bush. We might turn here, eh? 1 minute slower, yeah, we can handle that. Bungaree, Putilla, Springbank, Mulungip, that's where I'm heading. There you go, there's the town, there's the town names around this area. Oh yeah, we've got a bit of a traffic jam here. All right to go around. Cheers, buddy. Spargo Creek Spring I'm looking for. All I want's a glass of mineral water. Apparently it's really nice mineral water. Just constantly flows. But I'm getting thirsty, as you can probably hear in my voice. I've had a cold for the last 2 weeks and I've just been so thirsty all the time. Can't drink enough water. Nice, nice, nice. We might go down there. I thought I saw a track. Is that an actual truck going through there? Guess we can find out, can't we? Maybe not. Got a lot of logs down. Get over that, no worries. That one will be a bit harder. It's going to be more of the same. Oh, bloody hell. Uh-oh. I really need to fix this switch, don't I? Need to have a look at that. Righto, we'll go a bit further. Now I can see me having to turn back, but we'll go and have a look anyway. Ooh. Oh, I need to turn that way. Yeah, righto. We better go back. Can't see it getting any better. Could keep going around trees, but I think I'm eventually going to get to one that I just can't get around. Just here? Okay, we're going through the pine forest by the looks of it. Wow, this is pretty cool. It was pretty cool. Really? Where did this truck go? It's yeah, it's a creek here. That is not a track. Well, is it? Wow. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, it goes around there. That looks boggy as all fuck. Oh dear. Who planned this route? Spargo Creek Mineral Springs. Okay, this is it, is it? Where is the spring? Righto, where is it? Is that it over there? So I probably shouldn't be in there. So where is this spring that I can get water from? Who's that over there? Scarlet robin, sacred kingfisher. I'm not looking for birds at the moment. I'm looking for water. That's just a bloody hole in the wall, in the ground. Up this way a little bit. Oh, the creek's nice. Oh, here, what's up here? Here we go. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's like soda water. That is weird.
Righto, that is Spargo Creek Spring. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Now, is this bike going to start? I think my next video will be fixing that starter button. No, we'll see if we can push starter. I don't know if I'll get enough speed up.